Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need Android 12 or newer and the latest Snapchat installed. This method uses the system accent, not an in-app theme. First, go to Settings, Right Arrow Wallpaper and Style, or Display Right Arrow Styles and Wallpapers, depending on your phone. Pick a colors palette or use a wallpaper to generate dynamic colors. Once done, choose the accent color you want. Make sure Snapchat is fully closed so it picks up the new system accent when it restarts. After selecting the palette, wait a few seconds for the system to apply the accent across supported apps. Reopen Snapchat. It should adopt the new accent for UI highlights where Snapchat honors system accents. If you see only partial changes, toggle System Dark Mode or reboot the device to force a refresh. Make sure Snapchat's background refresh is allowed. Some OEM skins delay theme propagation. This is how the system-level color trick propagates to apps that support dynamic theming. If Snapchat still shows the old accent, clear its cache and reopen the app. That forces a fresh read of system resources. If that fails, update or reinstall Snapchat because older builds may not read dynamic accents. Note that many Android skins or older OS versions won't fully support Material You. In those cases, there is no reliable way to change Snapchat's accent. Finally, remember iOS does not offer this system-level method. Only Android dynamic theming provides this single reliable path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.